Imagine a world where humans never existed, a world ruled by giant creatures that shook the ground with every step. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs dominated the Earth. Then almost overnight, they disappeared forever. But what really happened? This is the complete history of the dinosaurs. To understand the dinosaurs, we must travel back more than 250 million years. At that time, Earth looked completely different. Instead of separate continents, almost all land was joined together into one enormous supercontinent called Pangaea. Vast deserts stretched for thousands of kilometers, while giant volcanoes constantly reshaped the planet. Life was slowly recovering from the greatest mass extinction in Earth's history. Around 230 million years ago, the very first dinosaurs appeared. They were nothing like the giant monsters we imagine today. Most were small, lightweight, and fast, about the size of a chicken or a large dog. Yet these tiny creatures had one incredible advantage. They could move faster, adapt better, and survive where many others could not. No one could have imagined that these small reptiles would one day evolve into the largest and most powerful animals ever to walk the Earth. In the next chapter, dinosaurs will begin their incredible rise to power, and nothing will ever be the same again. Around 201 million years ago, Earth changed forever. A massive extinction wiped out many of the dinosaurs' biggest competitors. Suddenly, the small dinosaurs that had struggled to survive found themselves in a world full of opportunity. It was the beginning of the Jurassic period, the age when dinosaurs would become the rulers of Earth. Over millions of years, dinosaurs evolved into incredible forms. Some developed long necks to reach the tops of giant trees. Others grew powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth to hunt prey. Earth's forests became home to creatures unlike anything seen before or since. But wherever giant plant eaters lived, dangerous predators followed. One of the most feared hunters of the Jurassic was Allosaurus. Fast, powerful, and armed with sharp claws and deadly teeth, it hunted enormous herbivores. Survival became a daily battle between predator and prey. Dinosaurs weren't the only creatures thriving. Giant insects buzzed through ancient forests. Crocodile-like reptiles hunted in rivers. Early birds began appearing in the skies, while the first small mammals lived quietly in the shadows. Every part of the planet was alive with strange and fascinating life. For millions of years, dinosaurs ruled without challenge. But an even greater king was about to appear. A predator so powerful that its name would become legendary. Tyrannosaurus Rex. For millions of years, countless dinosaurs ruled the Earth. But one name would become legendary: Tyrannosaurus Rex, or simply T-Rex. Living around 68 to 66 million years ago, T-Rex was one of the last great dinosaurs before the mass extinction. Standing nearly 12 meters long and weighing up to 9 tons, it was one of the most powerful predators ever to walk the Earth. T-Rex had enormous jaws filled with around 60 razor-sharp teeth, some nearly 20 centimeters long. Scientists believe its bite force was stronger than almost any land animal in history. One powerful bite could easily crush bones. For years, scientists debated an important question: did T-Rex actively hunt its prey, or did it mostly feed on dead animals? Today, most researchers believe it probably did both. It hunted whenever possible, and scavenged whenever it had the chance. Even the greatest predator could not escape what was coming. Far out in space, a giant asteroid was already racing toward Earth. It would bring an end to the age of dinosaurs, and change the history of life forever. While dinosaurs ruled the Earth, a silent danger was approaching from deep space. A massive asteroid, nearly 10 kilometers wide, was speeding toward our planet at more than 70,000 kilometers per hour. No creature on Earth knew what was coming. Around 66 million years ago, the asteroid struck near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact released more energy than billions of atomic bombs. The ground shook with violent earthquakes. Giant tsunamis swept across the oceans, and massive wildfires spread around the globe. Dust, ash, and smoke filled the atmosphere, blocking sunlight for months, or perhaps even years. Temperatures dropped, plants began to die, and food became scarce. Herbivores starved, and soon the predators followed. The age of the dinosaurs was coming to an end. Nearly 75% of all species on Earth disappeared during this mass extinction. Almost every non-avian dinosaur vanished forever. But life did not completely end. A small group of feathered dinosaurs survived, and over millions of years, they evolved into the birds we see today. In a way, dinosaurs are still living among us. When most people think of dinosaurs, they imagine giant monsters fighting all day. But the truth was very different. Dinosaurs spent most of their lives searching for food, protecting their families, and surviving in a dangerous world. Just like modern animals, every day was a struggle for survival. Scientists have discovered fossilized nests filled with dinosaur eggs. These discoveries suggest that many dinosaurs cared for their young after they hatched. Some even guarded their nests from hungry predators, showing behavior surprisingly similar to modern birds. One of the biggest discoveries in recent years is that many dinosaurs had feathers. Some were covered in colorful feathers used for warmth, camouflage, or attracting mates. This discovery completely changed the way scientists imagine the dinosaur world. Today, scientists believe that birds are the closest living relatives of dinosaurs. Every sparrow, eagle, and owl carries a small piece of that ancient world. So the next time you see a bird flying overhead, remember, you may be looking at the last surviving dinosaurs. For thousands of years, people found giant bones buried underground, but no one knew what they belonged to. Some believed they were the remains of dragons or mythical giants. Then, in the early 1800s, scientists finally realized these bones belonged to a completely unknown group of ancient animals. As more fossils were discovered, scientists traveled across deserts, mountains, and forests searching for new species. Every discovery revealed another piece of Earth's forgotten past. Some fossil skeletons were so complete that researchers could reconstruct entire dinosaurs from head to tail. Today, modern technology has transformed dinosaur research. Powerful CT scanners, 3D computer models, and microscopic analysis allow scientists to study fossils without damaging them. Every year, new discoveries continue to change what we know about dinosaurs. Even after more than 2 centuries of research, dinosaurs still hold many secrets. New species are discovered almost every year, and each fossil helps us understand our planet's incredible past. The story of the dinosaurs is still being written, one discovery at a time. Imagine if the asteroid had missed Earth. Dinosaurs might still be the rulers of our planet today. Giant herbivores would roam vast forests, while powerful predators would dominate the food chain. The world would look completely different from the one we know. But here's an even bigger question. Would humans ever have existed? Most scientists believe the answer is probably no. If dinosaurs had survived, mammals would likely have remained small animals hiding in the shadows. Without their extinction, human evolution may never have happened. Even though the dinosaurs disappeared millions of years ago, their legacy is everywhere. Their fossils help scientists understand evolution, climate change, and Earth's ancient history. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the incredible world they once ruled. The dinosaurs ruled Earth for more than 160 million years, far longer than humans have existed. Their rise, their dominance, and their extinction remain one of the greatest stories in the history of our planet. But before we end this journey, there's one final question. What is the greatest lesson dinosaurs left behind? The story of the dinosaurs did not truly end 66 million years ago. While the giant dinosaurs disappeared, one remarkable group survived: the feathered dinosaurs. Over millions of years, they evolved into the birds that fill our skies today. Every eagle, owl, pigeon, and sparrow carries a living connection to the prehistoric world. Dinosaurs teach us an important lesson. Even the most powerful creatures on Earth are not guaranteed to survive forever. Nature is constantly changing, and survival depends on adaptation. Their story reminds us that life on Earth is fragile, and even the mightiest rulers can disappear. Scientists continue to discover new dinosaur species almost every year. Modern technology allows researchers to uncover secrets hidden beneath the Earth's surface for millions of years. Each fossil brings us one step closer to understanding one of the greatest chapters in the history of life. For more than 160 million years, dinosaurs ruled our planet. Their rise, their dominance, and their mysterious extinction continue to inspire scientists and fascinate millions of people around the world. Their story is not just about the past. It is a reminder that Earth is always changing, and every species has its moment in history. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join Hidden Files Discover for more incredible journeys into history and science. Because every fossil hides a story waiting to be discovered.